These headphones have served for 2 years, and yesterday a volume down button stopped clicking. Since these headphones have 3 batteries, which allows to have 5 days of non-stop listening on a single charge, it is impossible to simply replace the headphones. Let's replace the button. A quick disassembly with a knife to pry all the panels up, and we have access to the internal parts. The misbehaving button is second from the right. After the headphones main board is firmly fixed, we would want to protect other components from being damaged by the heat of the desoldering hot air. Simply wrap the board with the tape or aluminum foil, leaving exposed only the component designated for desoldering. A new button will be soldered with the soldering iron instead of hot air to reduce the chances of melting the button. For this, we switch the soldering tip for the thinnest one available. After making 4 touches of the soldering iron, the button is now placed and connected to the main board of the headphones. Several clicks on the button to ensure it is working, and the headphones can be reassembled back. Placing the top cover on its spot and checking again how the button is clicking. It clicks just a new one. The headphones are now fully functional again and provide full tactile clicking response for using them without looking. With everyday uninterrupted use, it is only a question of time what part will die next. But until then, I can continue listening to music 20 hours long for 5 days straight without having to charge them.
Thanks for watching. If you are still here, please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think on this topic? Was it worth the time?